Go on, Sarah. Why?
Why?
Why keys?
Because what we do now makes a difference to every single child's future. If we make those children feel that they are part of now, they'll feel part of the rest of their life and the world they live in.
Yeah, why important?
Because I want the children in my care to feel accepted, that they belong and that I'm invested in them and that they feel they can be invested in their own future.
Yeah, so we've just done this session about the keys to inclusion, looking at how we welcome people, how we make sure that our environments that we work in are open to all, they're inclusive. I think the key part for me was the long view, looking at the long view game, and that real person-centred approach in terms of where they're going to be in 10, 20, 30 years time. It really stood out to me. It's been a fabulous session and I've learned loads from it, and I'll take a lot away from this. And yeah, enjoy.